Hey, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Faisal Azib. I hope that you are well. In this video I will show you some tips and tricks about Morph Transition. I am going directly to the official website about Office 365. So here there is an article about tips and tricks for Morph Transition, and if you can scroll down, you must follow this instruction: rename object, etc., etc. And here it tells us to add this exclamation mark 2 times followed by another character to get this tips or tricks. Okay, I know when you read this it is not very helpful, so we will do it directly in PowerPoint to see what does it mean, this part of manipulation. So let's start. So I will here go to the PowerPoint, I create a new slide. Now I will add it, for example, to image. Okay, directly click. So I will take image from here, for example, this one, copy directly, don't worry, just to see what we got. Copy, good. So this one from here, I don't know. And I will another image, another slide with another image. Let's take another one. Yeah, take this one. Oops. Copy image. Take paste. Good. So this one I put it here. No problem. Now, if I make morph here in this slide, what I have, look. It is just, as you can see, simple animation, fade in, fade out. So simple. Why? Because the images aren't the same. It is the same object, but it is not the same source. To use our tips or tricks, what we can do here? We go to the home. And here, click the selection pane. Okay? So we start with the first slide, very important. And now we rename this object. We rename this object. How to rename it? Remember, double click, and now put 2 exclamation mark and choose any name. For example, pick one. Okay, remember this name, it's very important. Pick one, and we go to the second slide and we put the same name that we have make here. It means 2 exclamation mark, pick one. So here, 2 exclamation mark, pick one. Now look. I have the morph or no? Yes, I have it. Now look, when I start, very well. Do you see this difference? PowerPoint try to morph your previous image to the next one using this tip. Yeah, it's very powerful. I want to show you this one. And the same thing now, if we make, let's make another slide, we do it with a shape. Okay, if we do it with a shape, for example, let's make 2 shape, insert, shape, I don't know, we do this one, I don't know, like this, and the second slide, let's make, yeah, let's make the same shape to see the difference between them, and the second slide I will add it. What I can add it if you want. Tell me what you want. This one, for example. Oops. I just remove these 2 things. No problem. Let's come back. Insert. Shape. Take this one. No problem. Okay. Like this. And I will put it again here. Oops. What is it? Like this. So here, what I will do, I have added 2. The same object, because I want to make for this one without renaming the object, and for the second I will rename it to see the difference between them when we make the animation. It is very, very clear now. So this one I let it, and this one let's make it what I said, exclamation mark, shape 1. Okay, and this one I let it. Oops, select selection point. Oops, repeat. Selection point. And for this one, it is shape 1. I think I think it is shape 1, like this. Okay. Now, yeah, shape 1. For this one, I will add it transition morph. Now look, you see? Look, when you go directly to the second slide, for the first one we have just simple animation, and for the second we have the morph transition between the initial shape to the second. It's different shape, completely different. But PowerPoint try to change your shape, the initial shape to the new shape using the morph feature. It's very, very powerful. You can use more complicated, for example, to see about shape. If you use here the feature, for example, insert something that is not so simple. So there is a triangle, yeah, something like this. And now this one, new slide. Here I will insert complicated shape, or with more round, more corner. So what we can insert, something that is more corner. We can insert it. For example, this one, yeah, this one, it contains 7 point. Yeah, 7 points, very good, because the previous one contained how many? This one 8 point, and this one 14 point. Good. Let's take 14 point. Good. So now look here. In this shape, edit point I have. Do you see how many points I have? A lot of. And in this one I have just 3 points. Now if I added the morph here, sorry, before I add the morph, I will rename it shape 1, shape 2, and this one shape 2. Okay, now we added the morph transition. Do you see? Do you see? Look. You see, PowerPoint try to change completely your shape to the next, the new one that you want, using calculate some mathematical operation. They try to calculate. Here we have just 3 points, and here we have how many points? A lot of. They try to make this transformation using the initial 3 points, and with Morph Transition there are some algorithm or program behind. You can see them, of course, to transform your initial shape triangle to this all these points to create your new shape. Sorry. So as you can see, Morph Transition is really powerful using this trick. So by adding the 2 exclamation mark here in the name of your object between the previous and the next, it's very, very important to have the same name. Of course, you can here. I can add the shape here, for example. I have 2, 3 objects. I can rename them, no problem. But the name that exists in the initial slide or the previous slide must be the same in the next one, that in the desired object. So I hope that you have liked this video. Try every practice to see what you can get with another object. Do what you want. Sorry. Subscribe to my channel, Faisal Azib. Follow me on Instagram, teams.winners and Faisal.chico. And Telegram, Real Practice and Share. Take care of us. I tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.